Hi, and welcome to another episode of 10 Minute Makes. Today, I thought we would play with some cabochons. I'm not sure how you say that, but they're little plastic or silicone pieces that you can turn into candy wrapper charms. So I went down a rabbit hole and made a few. And I thought I would just share the process with you, and maybe we can make some on camera. We'll see how many we can make. I have, let's see, I have a few laid out here. What you'll need is these little pockets, the PVC pockets from Amazon. I think I got 100 in the pack. Some washi tape. Some of these little cabochons. I'm sorry, I do not know what they're, how to say that word. But they're little like flat back charms that you can make. I think they're also referred to as kawaii. It's like I'll put the description of what they are on the screen. I saw a video with Crafting to Cope. She made these about 6 months ago, and then she was inspired from a video by Creatively Jean. So I went down a rabbit hole and watched a bunch of different videos, and I'll link the various tutorials that I watched so that you can watch them as well. And let's set the timer. Gonna finish this one up right here. Okay, so what you do is I'm gonna use some of this as well. Okay, so what you do is you take this little Ziploc pocket, and then you put your little flat back charm in there. You can put seed beads, so I have a variety of items here. So I have some of these, I think they're like clay bits. So I thought we would use some of those. And then I have some of this. Let's see, what colors do we have? We'll do some blue and pink and yellow. I picked up these little bead sorters. I can link them in the bottom. If you guys want me to do a kind of an organization video of the different things that I use for storage, I'd be happy to. Just let me know in the comment section below. Then we'll get some seed beads. And maybe some yellow. I don't know how many we can make in the time frame, but again, these videos are strictly for inspiration, that you don't need, you know, a whole day to craft to be able to do some crafts. So we have seed beads there. We have our little charm here. And the other thing that you'll need is some decorative scissors. I'm using the pinking shears. And then we're just going to use some, just put a few sprinkles of each of the items in. And then I like to seal it up and just kind of move things around. You can always add more. Okay, so that's a nice little mix. Let's go ahead and add more. I have a few stragglers in here. I'm going to seal it up and just kind of shake it around. And let's see, this would be a cute one to add to that one. So then what you do is you just put the washi tape over the top flap. You can cover the zippered part if you want, but you want to make sure you have enough overhang to use the decorative scissors. So I'll put this around. Trim it off, and then you'll do the same to the bottom. And I want to do this a little bit further down. You want to make sure that you line the tape up on the front and the back so that you don't see any dropping down. And that's the front. So you can take a little bit around. Okay, and then you'll cut off the bottom, and then at the top you can kind of see where the plastic ends, and this is just tape. I just try to line it up with there, cut straight across. And then what you could do is I don't know if that's too big. We'll see. So this is the top up here. I will put a little hole right there. Put the eyelet in. That might be too big. And then you'll put the eyelet setter, clamp it down. Give it a good squeeze. And then I have these little, let's do blue. Actually, let's do this color blue. So I have these little charm hangers. And you can put it on a keychain like this. I think these are cute just to attach a little ball link closure. And these are the other ones that I made. So there's this one, this one, and this. Having a few made up like this, then I can go through and add it a charm to it. So here is today's 10-minute make. I hope you return tomorrow and we'll make another project or two. and have a magnificent day. Bye for now.